Okay lah. It's okay. We continue lah. Uh, and by the way, tomorrow I think we cannot have class because tomorrow school got something like something on that. Okay, so now T1 minus FR. So T1 minus FR will be 5 Newton equals to 4.5. So T1 will equals to 9.5 Newton. Okay, this one, what is the tension? So answer will be, okay, let's say this one we find acceleration first. We say that net force equals to ma. Net force is, it will go this way, right? F10 kg minus F5 kg equals to 5 plus 15 acceleration. So it will be 98.1 minus 5 times 9.81 equals to 10A. So anyone can tell me what is the A? 啊，你们也没有做啊？啊，真的是啊。48.6 okay, 48.6 divided by 10. So A equals to 4.86 meter per second per second. Okay, then what is the, so acceleration going this way, then what is the tension? You can use either one. Okay, I will use T2 lah. Okay, so because going this way means same thing, F net equals to FA. M is for this mass only. Teacher, I got 4.905. 4.905. Why? 98.1减掉5乘9.8，49.05。I wrong，除以10。4.905， I wrong。4.905 meter per second per second. 49.05 divided by 10. Yeah, my fault. Okay, so now if we want tension, we just choose one system only lah. Okay, we just choose one system only, so it will be 10, 4.905. Okay, so net force will be weight minus T2 lah. Okay, so will be 98.1 minus T2 equals to 49.5. So answer T2 actually will be, so you move negative here to here become positive. You move positive here to here become negative lah. Okay, so now T2 will equals to 98.1 minus 49.05. Answers 49.05. 49.05. Sorry. 49.05 Newton. Okay, so remember lah, when pulley question, you must make it straight into either horizontal line or vertical line. Understand? You must draw out, you stretch it. The line is 90 degrees and you need to stretch it, become horizontal line straight first, all right? All right, so now, we summarize first. So actually what we have learned before, we have learned about resultant force. So this one is, we call it as resultant force. Okay, resultant force. What's the meaning of resultant force? Like, anyone can tell me what's the meaning of resultant force? Like,快点. If this, the, 好啦，来17，我相信嘉恩应该可以了。17，凯阳、建伟怎样？凯阳要背起来哈，凯阳。Basic 分数要更加进步，这些要背的。OK，Yeah, good, 建伟。Okay, good. Very good. So let's see. Jian Wei, you already. Okay, you just tell the keywords not enough. Okay, like this is one of the sentence from your friend. Right? So let's check what is it okay if I get 1 mark? Okay, first it is the single force, correct? Represents two or more forces acting on the object. Okay, one thing missing. So anyone can tell what is missing in the sentence? Represents the. Yeah, very good, 17加 N 建伟 the vector sum. What's the meaning of vector sum? It's here. It's this. So vector sum means when the force not in same direction. So we just we sum up them, become one single force. Okay, vector sum means when they are not in same direction, like both are horizontal or one to the left, one to the right, or like this. When they are not in same direction, we still can sum them up by using vector. So we say vector sum. Yeah, yeah, vector sum of two or more forces. So resultant force, that's why we always sum them up plus. But because plus, but for example, 10 Newton plus -5 means the direction is opposite. 可以吗？所以答案是 5. Okay, so now determine the resultant force for parallel force, perpendicular force, non-parallel force. And then we try to apply all of this in net force equals to MA. So if at rest, net force 0, why? Because acceleration 0. So M times 0, net force 0 lah. Okay, net force 0. Constant velocity, the same thing. So in the last class, I think you get the idea. So it's acceleration 0 lah. Moving with constant acceleration, F net is not 0 because since A, let's say equals to 1, then sure got some number. Means it's accelerating. What is the meaning of accelerate? Accelerate means got change of speed. But don't remember this. We remember the rate of change of speed. Okay, as long as got change of speed, speed increases, speed decreases, we got acceleration. Okay, now solving problem with resultant force, mass, and acceleration. So solving problem involving object moving horizontal, vertical, passenger in elevator, and then the pulley. This is the last three we study. So with pulley, remember if the pulley like this, what we do? We stretch it up, become horizontal, something like this. If the pulley like this, we also stretch it up. We also stretch it up. Okay, become straight line. Okay. So now we are going to topic 2, resolution of force. So what's the meaning of resolution of force? We say that resolution of force is a process. Maybe we can write here, okay? What is a resolution of forces? And that's a process which separate, or we say resolving, which resolve a force, one force into horizontal component and vertical component. Okay, into horizontal component and vertical component. Yeah, I think like this only. Okay, means this force not horizontal, and nor not horizontal nor vertical. So we separate it. But remember, don't use the word separate. We use the word resolve. Okay? We use the word resolve. Okay, apply to. So we are going to solve problem involving resultant force and resolution of forces. Yeah, I sent a message. To remind people to come here. Okay, so now, so we are going to study two case. One is object is pulled or pushed along inclined plane. Object sliding along inclined plane due to its weight. Okay, so now we turn to the resolution of forces. Okay, how to resolve the force. Okay, so when there is a force like this, let's say force is, okay, let's say 5 Newton. Okay, so how to resolve a force? Originally, it's a blue force, so we can draw a perpendicular line into dotted line to sambong from the tail of, this is called tail of the arrow, or head or tip at the of the arrow. Normally we start with tail lah. So from here, from the tail, then we draw a horizontal component, or normally I would call it as x-axis, x. Then we make another line to show it is y-axis. Okay, one more So now this is called resolution of force lah. Okay, so right now let's practice a few. Maybe you can draw up here. Okay, if I have a force like this, how can I resolve it? Okay, same thing lah. We can you just use a solid straight line enough lah. So first of all, find out where is the tail. Tail is here lah. Then just draw two lines perpendicular to each other, which is y component and x, sorry, y component down, x component horizontal, like this lah. Okay, so this is, so let's say if this force, we call it as F. So now we can call it as Fx and Fy. So the arrow always follow the original, all right? Now, I give you a few, can you please do now? So for example, like this. It's more flat. For example, like this. For example, like this. I have no ruler, you can draw with ruler like this. Like this. Okay, can you resolve it now? And while you are doing Kayang, can you please tell me where should I start? Find what first? Yay, thank you. Find the tip and tail lah. So we start from tail, one vertical, one horizontal, fx, fy. So actually total angle here is 90 degrees. Okay. So I believe all of you know. So let's say this is like this. So here will be fx and here will be f. Okay, this is fx, this is fx. So this is fx, this is fy, this is fy, and this is fx. Okay, then where is the angle? Okay, angle we always use elevation and compression. Angle of elevation and compression. Okay, so like this lah. So elevation and depression always start from where? From horizontal line. Okay, so you determine where is your horizontal line first. Then we show elevation up, depression down. Okay, so now for example, if you look at a cat, you look down. So what you should do is you draw a horizontal line yourself to determine where is the angle step. Okay, elevation, horizontal line. Okay, so now where is the angle? Always start from the horizontal line, which is fx lah. So this one, depression, this one, depression, this one, depression, this one, elevation, this one, elevation. I'll get the angle. Okay, and because of you resolve the force into horizontal and vertical already, now what should you do is you just like before, just like what we draw before, we cut and paste lah. Okay, so now we normally cut the y over here. See, when you cut y over here, since they are parallel, you can see that actually they are parallel. So we cut and paste here so that we can form a triangle here. Okay, we can form a triangle here. We can form a triangle here, and then now we can apply either Pythagoras theorem or Dwa-Ka-So, Soka-Dwa, right? But let's recall, what is Soka-Dwa or Dwa-Ka-So? I like to remember in this way, like Dwa-Ka-So or Soka-Dwa. So actually, what is sine? Sine means sine theta equals to opposite divided by hypotenuse. And then can you see? This line would be your hypotenuse because it's always 90 degrees opposite to the 90 degrees of the triangle, right? Okay, up by 2. So means actually all of the forces originally would be your hypotenuse. Would be your hypotenuse, 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 hypotenuse. Okay, as long as you need to resolve the force, then the original force itself will become hypotenuse. That's why we only, for this case, resolution of forces, we only use Ka and So because they're related to hypotenuse. That's why we don't use tangent. Why? Because tangent theta equals to opposite divided by adjacent, which is, see, look at this angle, opposite, adjacent. We don't know anything about fx, fy, but we do know F here means which is hypothesis, hypotenuse. Original force is hypotenuse. Original force is hypotenuse. That's why, that's why we can now do this by 2. Since we got 1 theta and 1 force. And if we want to find Fx, okay, so Fx is K. K means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So we can start from here. Cos theta equals to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta equals to adjacent here. When the angle touch it means it's adjacent. So we say it's Fx. Then opposite to the hypotenuse would be F. Then if we want to find Fx, then we just cross multiply F up. So we will get Fx. Fx equals to F cos theta. Okay, Fx equals to F cos theta. That's why if you want to find Fy, Fy is opposite to the angle. So we start with sine theta equals to opposite of a hypotenuse. So sine theta equals to Fy divided by F. So if you want to find Fy, we don't know Fy, Fx, we just resolve it. So now we just cross multiply. So we say Fy equals to F sine theta, right? Okay, so now let's try. Exercise. Okay, a box is pulled with a string at 40 degrees angle from the smooth surface with force 5 Newton. So this is force 5 Newton. Its mass is 2 kg. Calculate the acceleration. Okay, so first of all, what should we do? Check. The force is not horizontal nor vertical. Means we resolve it. Become like this. We resolve it, become like this. So this is Fx and this is Fy. Okay, so now we say it pulled this way. So, and then what do they ask? They ask for acceleration. What's the formula relate to acceleration? Anyone can tell me? The formula got acceleration and got force. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, everyone? Thank you. F equals to ma. Thank you, Kaya. A equals to V over T. Actually, it's V minus U over T. Then, very good. Yes, yes, yes. Acceleration could be these two formula. But Kayang, I want you to identify, is there any V, U, or T provided in this question? Don't have. Very good. Yeah, don't have. So we cannot use this. So since got F and A, then let's use F equals to MA. And I always want to remind you, F is net. Net force means actually there are two forces. Okay, so now M is 2. A don't know, let it be unknown. So what is a net force? Actually, net force means forward force. We say this is a thrust force, forward force, minus the friction. Did they mention friction? No. So we treat friction as 0. Okay. Oh, sorry. They did mention here. This is the word smooth. What is smooth? Smooth means frictional force equals to 0. You must be alert to the smooth lah. Okay, so now actually it will be Fx minus Fr equals to 2a. So which is Fx minus 0 equals to 2a. Okay, so we say Fx equals to 2a and a equals to Fx divided by 2. So now, how to get Fx? So we actually can do this. We move this Fy to here so that we can form a right angle triangle. We want Fx. So always remember when the angle touch Fx, we want Fx and angle touch Fx. We will use cos. So you got two ways that you can directly use this Fx cos theta. F times cos theta, or you start back with your math skill. Cos theta equals to adjacent Fx divided by F. So we say Fx equals to F cos theta. So we say Fx equals to F is 5. Cos theta means cos 40. So may I know the answer? Yes, thank you, Shiqi. Yeah, 3.8302 Newton. So acceleration equals to 3.8302 divided by 2. Answer is 哎，我应该从前面数起，212298，2120，251212。Okay, can I get 2 marks? No. Yeah, thank you, Yang. Thank you, Jianwei. Thank you, Shiqi. But Shiqi, you check your time. Yay, thank you. Yes. Okay, first you will get 1 mark for substitution. Okay, but here you will get, you forgot, I mean unit, then sorry. Okay. Okay, so now next, I will read the question first. From the ground means horizontal. Okay, so means it's elevation angle with the force 15 Newton, F equals to 15 Newton. Given the mass 3 kg and the friction with the surface 8 Newton. I encourage you to draw out the surface with friction. You draw out the surface. With friction means that you shape like this means got friction. Okay, so now let's label out the frictional force is like this. Frictional force equals to 8 Newton. Calculate the acceleration. The acceleration going this way, like going this way. And okay, because may I know what is a frictional force? Anyone can tell what is a frictional force? Frictional force. And there's the force which oppose the thrust force. Or we say a forward force. Okay, now can see the force which oppose the another force. So if you say thrust force or forward force means no matter where it go, see, when it go this way, go to the right, means your frictional force always goes to the left. And actually, all of the drag force can say, okay. And then frictional force only for solid surface. Oh, by the way, and then frictional force only affected by what? Okay, frictional force only affected by two things. One is the weight of the objects, which is weight equals to mg. Another one is the smoothness, how smooth is it like? Okay, the condition of contact surface. Where is it? For example, is it smooth or is it rough? All right. Okay, so now frictional force 8 Newton, and then what is the forward force? Since the force is with an angle, not horizontal, see, frictional force horizontal, but this one not horizontal, so we need to do resolution of forces. Okay, 来建伟 how to resolve the force? 嗨，维基，你进来了，太棒了。建伟 how to resolve the force? Still remember? 嗨，建伟，快来，建伟。啊，don't remember. OK 啦，凯阳 how to resolve a force? You don't remember also. Okay lah, okay lah. Like resolution of force is a process to resolve a force in horizontal and vertical component. Like, look at this four, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can remember now how to resolve the force? Yes, tip and Kim, very good. Yeah, so from here, this is like this lah. Then like this lah. So you will get Fy and Fx lah. R means right. Now can see the force is resolved, become vertical and horizontal. Then now, since they want acceleration, means the box actually will go horizontally. That's why now actually what we do, we don't care about Fy. No need care. Because surface is horizontal, so it will move horizontally. Okay, so now what you should do, we want acceleration. So what is the formula now, huh? Oh, sine or cosine. Never mind, never mind. Not never mind. We don't care sine or cos first. Now, how to start in the beginning? Can you please tell me a formula? We don't care about that first. Sine or cos, don't care. How, huh? Anyone can tell me where can I start? Think. Yes, thank you, Jia. Correct. That force equals to MA first. Yay. Yeah, you should see it's correct. Okay, now we substitute wherever we can first. For right hand side, let's substitute mass per kg. A, don't know, let it be question mark. Now, net force. How to write a net force, huh? Anyone can tell? Yes, Jianwei, very good. Yes. We actually look at the horizontal force. Even though they are not in same level, doesn't matter. As long as they parallel. Then you can see lah, this one go here, this one go here. So yeah, actually is Fx minus Fr. And we sub first. Fx minus Fr, R is 8 equals to 3a. So now how to get Fx? So yeah, Fx here is what you need to do is even though we don't use Fy, but we still can move it here to form a triangle. Yes, yes, triangle. Um, so you can see lah, when the angle, so finally we can just remember we use hypothesis to hypotenuse times sine or cos lah. Okay, the shortest way is hypothesis times sine or hypothesis times cos. So sine or cos. So it's hypothesis times sine or cos. Okay, very easy. You just look at fx, touch 45, right? fx touch 45. Touch means cos lah. Touch. Touch means adjacent lah. Then you can see fy, opposite, never touch angle. So, or you can directly see from this way, fy, if you move it back, never touch angle, so would be sine. So if the line you want to calculate touch angle, use cos. Okay, so now let's substitute f cos f 15 cos theta 45 minus 8 equals to 3a. So 15 cos 45, 15 cos 45, sorry, my calculator difference. 15 cos 45, 10.6066. So answer is 10.6066 minus 8 equals to 3a. So a will equals to minus 8, minus 8 divided by 3. So 0.8689. 0.8689 meter per second per second. I encourage you all take 4 decimal places. I'm tired to say 3. Get 4. And don't forget, if you get 4 decimal places, make sure you count first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a line. If the next number more than 5, please round off, become 9. Right? Okay. If don't round off, congratulations, wrong. Seems like you understand. Let's try one more question. So get the idea now. When you resolve it, okay, so actually you need to move y to here, or if you don't move also doesn't matter, you look at this angle. If this angle touch fx, then we use hypotenuse, means original force, cos theta. If this line doesn't touch angle, means opposite. So we use original hypotenuse times sine theta. Understand? If it's 5, then no need round off. 5 need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and above 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 and above round off. 1 to 4 no need. Like your money for example, when I buy things, RM 15.91. So they will round off, become 15.90. That's why now we don't have 1 cent anymore. For example, when I buy things, normally in grocer, then also when I pump petrol, for example, 68.58. Then they round off, become 68.60. For Malaysia, our Malaysia. Okay, so see, they also round off. Okay, thank you. So if 4 still 0 more than 5, round off Okay, let's see one question. Like resolution process. This QQ doc. Okay, now for example, this dot one, see this dot makes the string very straight. So actually he pull here, then the string pull here. So the string or the chain, we call it as tension. Tension 60 Newton. Then we draw our horizontal line. So here is 40. Here is, and also this one would be Tx, this one would be Ty. Then now they say, what's the force parallel to the ground? So actually we are saying the pulling force parallel to the ground same as Tx. So Tx will be, look at this. This is angle. Is this angle touch? Is this angle touch the tension? I mean touch Tx? Yes. If touch, we use cos lah. So how to get Tx? The simplest way is we use original force, sine or cos theta lah. So if this is touching, means we use cos 40, and that's it. So in the simplest way, conclusion, if you want to be fast, you just directly use original force. Look at the line, touch angle or not. Touch angle cos 40. So this Ty would be original force 60 sine theta, because this line, even though you move here, also never touch angle, means it will be the opposite of the angle. Use sine lah. Okay. Let me see what other example or not. Say like this. Channel. Like if you have some place here, you may draw here lah. Now, for example, there is a box pulled by a force F equals to 600 Newton. The angle here is 60. So let's draw a horizontal line 60. By the way, I'm not saying every angle must start from horizontal. Sometimes they also will give here. But it's okay now, we start the original first. Now, may I know if this one is a surface? Sorry, not a surface. Okay, okay, this is the flat one. We look from top. So may I know, can I know what is the force that make it move in vertical direction? If the frictional force is 1 Newton. May I know what is the acceleration if frictional force is 1 Newton. Okay, get it? Okay, anyone not sure where to start? Okay, so now it will be net force equals to MA lah. So yeah, I forgot to give you mass. Mass, let's say 2 kg, 2A. Then what is net force? It will be, anyone can tell me how to write my net force? There must be 2 forces. Like Kayang lah. Kayang. How to write net force here? Quick. We still got one more example here. Uh, 60 equals to 2A. No. F equals to 60. I think I confused you. F equals to 60 actually is here. F equals to 60. It's not but we want to resolve it first. How to resolve? From the tail of the arrow, please draw 2 perpendicular lines which represent Fx and Fy. So now the force going y-axis. So it should be, it's not F, but it is Fy minus 1. So what is Fy? Fy is, hypotenuse means original force. Original force, sine or cos 60, Kayang. Yes, yes, correct. Wow, Kayang, very good. Yeah, it's Fy sorry. Fy times sine or cos 60 minus 1 equals to 2A. Sine or cos 60, like, is the angle touch Fy? No. So if the angle not touching Fy means sine or cos. Thank you, 凯阳。诗琪，我们现在找 Fy 哟，Fy 哟。 刚刚是找 fx 哟，现在找 fy 哦。fy 有动到 angle 吗？Yay, it's sine. Congratulations. Now I believe you can solve it lah. So A equals to 60 sine times 60 minus 1 divided by 2. So 25.4808. 25.4808 meter per second per second. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, so now understand? If angle touch, we use original cos theta. If angle not touch, we use original sine theta. That's it. Just now, sine cos y because we use horizontal one touch angle. If vertical, don't touch. Okay, that's it. Now, object on inclined plane. Okay, so now actually it's okay, actually here is like this. We can use an XY axis coordinate Cartesian plane to draw out the direction and the angle. Okay, so now this is a flat surface. Then what is the meaning of normal reaction? What is the meaning of normal reaction? Normal reaction. Normal actually means 90 degrees to what? The surface. Reaction means support. Supporting force. But as I say, don't remember supporting force. We say reaction force. Reaction is a force. Okay, reaction is also a force. Okay, so now this is the flat surface, 90 degrees like this. So if I tilted the surface, it also 90 degrees to the surface. Understand? See, if I don't change, it's like this. Can you see? If I don't change R, it will be the angle sharp, acute angle in between pen and the pad. But actually, they should be always 90 degrees. Can 90 degrees, 90 degrees, right? Supporting force. Yeah, thank you. Very good. Oh, I draw something. All right, so now what should we do on the inclined plane? Inclined plane means a horizontal plane inclined by some degree from horizontal. Okay, like this. Inclined plane means a ascending plane, a ascending surface. Okay, so this is theta. Okay, so now this is like this. So you can see this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, so if you then the plane inclined, but the weight always go down. Weight always go down. So that's why now if you tilted your head, you will see you also can do this. Can you see I make the XY axis tilted become upright. This one I make it upright. I mean really vertical now. I mean really horizontal and really vertical. And if you use this XY axis, make it upright, what does it mean? It means now the weight will become a hypotenuse. I always want to say hypothesis. Hypotenuse. So if you heard I say hypothesis, I'm saying hypotenuse. Okay. Right. So now, since normal reaction always here, then we label. If you feel the tilted one, so hard to see, you can redo. You can redo the XY axis. And but you must label it properly here. Okay. so 现在会重画了吗？加分会重画了哈。So actually it's like this. See I tilt it I rotate it Ta-da! 可以看到吗？ Can see that? So actually what I do is from here, second one, I make it become upright. And every force the same. The direction of every force is the same. I just tilted it become upright. Then next, what should we do? So now, and then frictional force is over here. Frictional force is over here. Then this one, not vertical or horizontal. So what should we do to the W? Right? 太阳见尾是其尾鳍. How? What should we do? When it's singing, we should resolve the force. Anyone can tell me how to resolve the force? We find what first? Yes, tail and tip. Yes, 是其 the rest, right? Yeah, find the tail first. Then we resolve it by drawing two perpendicular lines to each other. So this is WY and this is WX. Force. Weight is a force. Okay, then if the angle tilted here is theta. Okay, angle for this case, inclined plane tilted 40, means it will exist here also. This is theta. Okay, always stick to y-axis. Always stick to y-axis. You memorize this. Okay, so always sticks to WY. You know what is WY? It is me. I'm just one yin. Yeah, one yin. Okay, lên trước. Okay, the angle always stick to Y. Why no asking Jian Wei? Yeah. Why no asking Jian Wei? Yeah. Jian Wei. Okay, so now very obvious lah. Since now angles stick to WY. Means how to find WY? WY will be original force W sine or cos theta, right? Angle touch this line, sine or cos. Ha, Jian Wei. Ha, Jian Wei. And or everyone know, please type your answer. Hi, Jian Wei. Sine or cos. Oh. Fast, fast, fast. Fast. Sine or cos. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll call. Ấy, trên ngoài okay. Yeah, I'm planning if you don't answer, I call your mom. The answer is cos. When I call your name, you don't answer me in 5 seconds, I'll call your mom. I'm your form teacher. I have everyone parents now. No lah. Actually, when you come to the class, you success already. Okay, you success to come to the class. Now see our class 35%, then 6%, no 5% come. So you already get probability 1 out of 6. Sorry, 1 out of 7. Congratulations, today you success. Still better. I won't call lah. Just kidding lah. Still better than those who absent lah. I hope they really have their study plan lah. Yeah. All right. So now, see why this is cos? Because just now everything is just now everything is using the angle from horizontal line. Can see that? Horizontal line from horizontal line from x. But now this case is what? The angle is not from horizontal, but they put the angle stick to the vertical line. So actually we don't care where is the angle. We just see if angle touch the line where we want to calculate, we use cos touch. Can you see that? So no matter where the angle from, as long as it touch the line you want to calculate, use cos. So now I believe you get that. So Wx will equals to original W sine theta, because this angle doesn't touch Wx. So actually we can transfer this Wx down and see. Transfer it down to make a triangle. So see, actually it's opposite lah. It's opposite. Okay, seems like you understand. Nah. So actually, if here is theta, here theta will, for inclined plane only, it will always stick to the WY, which is me. Angle always stick with me. So let me make a story. Angle always stick with me. Oh, don't get. Thank you, Shuqi. Okay. Thanks for responding to my lame joke. Okay lah, my partner. Okay. This is angle always is my partner. My name is Wan Yin. Okay, enough. Okay. So now, a 5 kg box is placed at rest on an inclined plane. The angle of the plane is 40 degrees. Calculate its normal reaction force and minimal frictional force acting on the plane. At rest. Like, translate, what's the meaning of at rest? Acceleration equals to 0, correct, means net force equals to 0, means left force minus right force. Okay, means either, so we say net force equals to MA, 0 ma. So left force minus right force equals to 0. Means left force will equals to right force. Understand? Or upward force minus downward force equals to 0. So we say up force equals to down force. So now balance lah. At rest means the force balance. Up equals to down. Left equals to right. So there are forces, but after minus, they become 0. So left equals right, up equals down. Get the idea? Let's draw the plan. Okay, we follow here. Okay, let's draw the plan. Okay, here is 40 degrees. And then here is a box, right? Here is, let's say, so 5 kg, 5 kg, 5 kg. So, like, can you please label all of the forces on the inclined plane first? We always start with. 好啦，来结尾啦。不要啦，凯阳先啦。来，凯阳，what is the first force we need to label? Fast, we still got 5 minutes only. Wait, very good. Wait. Then next, what should we draw? 来，诗琪。Next, what should we draw? You can pick here first. FR can FR can, but this is not what I want. 还有嘞，来啦，嘉恩，快，还有什么要画？ Normal reaction, yes, normal reaction. Normal reaction like this. Normal to the surface. Yeah, good. 来，嘉恩还有什么要画？嘉恩有在吗？还有什么要画？没有东西画了没？你看一下这里还要画什么？看一下少了什么 ？Weight 有了 ，friction 有了 ，normal reaction 有了，还少什么？我画的是什么 ？X 还有 Y，yes。Please draw X, Y axis here. At yourself. Yeah, very good. At yourself. X axis parallel to the surface. Yeah. Before you draw W, X, W, Y, you draw X, Y axis first. Okay. Then, yes, of course, W not on X or Y. So we make it as W, Y, and we resolve it become, can you see that? We resolve it become W, X, W, Y. The XY axis you don't label, never mind. So actually your axis tilted. So if you feel hard to see, then you can make it upright. You can redraw it, but label in proper place. This is R. This is WX. This is FR. This is WY. So this is W May I know 40? It's like, where should I label? Label here A or label here B? A or B? Like. 40 like everyone. Thank you, Jia Ân. 还有吗? Remember my name, Joe? Yeah, thank you, 诗琪。哎，快点，快点。Yeah, according to my lame joke, you should stick the data to WY. So 40 is here lah. Stick to WY. Can. Okay, so now what they want normal reaction. So look at normal reaction, it's vertical, then got a pair down. So normal reaction will be net force equals to MA. But now we no need MA. So you can do this. So MAA is 0. So net force actually is up minus down equals to 0. Means upward force equals to downward force. Get it? Upward force equals to downward force. So R equals to WX. So how to get WX? We get original force, sine or cos theta lah. What do you think sine or cos theta? Right, everyone? What do you think? This 40 touch WY. So sine or cos. Thank you, Jia. Thank you, Shiqi. Touch means adjacent. Ka also. Adjacent means ka also. Ka lah, adjacent, touch. Ka, okay? Cos theta, okay? So it will be, hey, they don't give weight or how, They use mg lah. Weight equals to mg cos theta lah, okay? Okay lah. So now R equals to mg cos theta lah. M is 5G 9.81 cos 40. So answer is 5 times 9.81 times 40 cos. So 37.5745Yay, thank you, Shiqi Newton. Yeah. Okay. Then now look at this. Calculate the minimum frictional force so that it can be stopped. So minimum means just say that FR equals to how many. So just now it's vertical, right? Now we find horizontal. Same thing like actually. Net force is 0. Means net force now would be horizontal one. now will be horizontal one. Okay, so just now is vertical one. Yeah, vertical, now horizontal. So now net force will be Wx because it might go down, but now it's rest. But at rest, doesn't matter you Wx minus Fr equals to 0 or Fr minus Wx equals to 0. So we say, so we want Fr. So now Fr will equals to Wx. So how to get Wx? That is original force, mg. Original force, mg, sine or cos theta. What do you think? Sine or cos? Yeah, congratulations. Sine. Yeah. Okay, so now mg. So it will be 5 times 9.81 sine 40. So it will be 40 sine times 5 times 9.81. 31.527. Thank you. 31.527 Newton. Congratulations, you did it. Okay, so this one you draw the inclined plane yourself. First, you draw inclined plane yourself. Second, label first inclined plane. Second, label all of the forces. Third, draw the XY axis. If you can see in tilted way, then you no need draw in upright way lah. Okay. Then smooth means no friction. So frictional force equals to 0. So W for this case, Wx minus Fr 0. Wx minus 0. Okay, so do it yourself lah ha. Oh yeah, I want to go to. Okay, you all get the paper. Please. You all get, oh, you all get this paper, right? Please do page 1. I say first, huh? GC 2025点一5.1. Now you can try, this is the real past year trial papers. Page 1, page 2, now everything the same I tell you. Page 3, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 9, 10. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Okay, so homework today. There. I think you all joined Telegram already or not? Put here like today homework. Today's homework. Notes. What page is it? Nota page 10. Nota page 10. And This is bab 1 page 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Page 1, 2, 3, and 9 and 10. Okay. Any other question? This one I gave you in school already. Okay. Same thing. See here. You draw the EXY axis yourself. Okay. Same thing. Oh, everything the same. Okay, so that's all for today lah. Sorry for 10 minutes extended. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.